Hello students, welcome to this lecture 1 Arithmetic Progressions. So in this lecture we will discuss NCERT Exemplars problem 1 Arithmetic Progressions. Okay, so in our previous part of Arithmetic Progression NCERT Exemplars, there we have discussed multiple choice questions. So in this lecture basically we will discuss very short type of answers, very short answer type questions. Okay, so here in first question, it said to us which of the following form of an AP, and we have to justify our answer. Okay, so in first one we have minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 dot dot dot. Okay, so we have to check first of all this list of numbers will form an AP or not. Okay, so let us see how to check is this list of numbers form of an AP. So here the first term T1, this is equal to minus 1. Second term T2, this is equal to also minus 1. Third term T3, this is equal to also minus 1. And whole term basically minus 1. Okay, and now if we take difference of second term and first term, that is T2 minus T1, that will give you minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, and if you take difference third term and second term, that is actually T3 minus T2, that is equal to also minus 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 0. And if we take difference of fourth term and third term, that is T4 minus T3, that is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, so here all terms, here where all the difference of successive terms is same, that is if you take k plus 1th term and k term, then if you take difference tk plus 1 minus tk, that will give you also 0. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is same, so therefore the given list of numbers form an AP. Okay, so the given list of numbers form an AP. And now let us check second one. So in second one, here we have this list of numbers 0 comma 2 comma 0 comma 2 comma dot dot dot. Okay, so let us check is this list of numbers form an AP or not. Okay, so here the first term T1, this is equal to 0. Second term T2, this is equal to 2. Third term T3 is equal to 0, and the fourth term T4 is equal to 2, and dot dot dot. Okay, so now take difference T2 minus T1, that is equal to 2 minus 0, this is equal to 2, and T3 minus T2, this is equal to 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2, and T4 minus T3, this is equal to 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Okay, so clearly you can observe that the difference of successive terms is not same. Okay, so if you take the difference of second term and first term, that will give you 2, but if we take the difference of third term and second term, that will give you minus 2. Okay, so here T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. So clearly the difference of successive terms is not same, and therefore the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, so for second one, here this list of numbers 0 comma 2 comma 0 comma 2 comma dot dot dot, this does not form an AP. And now let us check third one. So in third one, here we have 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma dot dot dot. Okay, so here the first term T1, this is equal to 1, second term T2 is equal to 1, and third term T3 is equal to 2, and the fourth term T4 is equal to 2. Okay, and so on. So here if you take difference T2 and T1, that is T2 minus T1, that will give you 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. Okay, and now if we take difference T3 and T2, that is T3 minus T2, this is equal to 2 minus 1, and this is equal to 1. And the difference T4 and T2, that T4 and T3, that is equal to T2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, so here the common difference of successive terms is not same. Okay, when you take difference of T2 and T1, that will give you 0, and when you take difference of the third term and second term, that will give you 1. Okay, so here T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is not same. Okay, so therefore the given list of numbers 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma dot dot dot, this list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, so for third one, this list of numbers does not form an AP. Now check fourth one. So in fourth we have this list of numbers 11 comma 22 comma 33 and comma dot dot dot. Okay, so let us check, is this list of numbers form an AP or not? Okay, so let us check. So in fourth one, here first term T1 is equal to 11, second term T2, this is equal to 22, and third term T3, this is equal to 33. Okay, so now take difference T2 minus T1, this is equal to 22 minus 11, that is equal to 11, and T3 minus T2, this is equal to 33 minus 22, that is equal to 11, and T4 minus T3, this is equal to 33 minus 22, and this is also equal to 11. Okay, so here T2 minus T1, this is equal to T3 minus T2, this is equal to T4 minus T3. Okay, so in general you can take k plus 1th term and k term of this list of numbers, then you will get the difference tk plus 1 minus tk, that is also equal to 11. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is same. Okay, so here since the difference of successive terms is same, and therefore the given list of numbers forms an AP. Okay, so the given list of numbers form an AP. So now let us check fifth one. So in fifth we have 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma dot dot dot. Okay, so here the first term T1, this is equal to 1 by 2, second term T2 is equal to 1 by 3, third term T3 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so now take the difference. So T2 minus T1, this is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 6, and this is equal to minus 1 by 6. And then T3 minus T2, this is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, and this is equal to 3 minus 4 divided by 12, and this is equal to minus 1 by 12. Okay, so here we get the difference T2 minus T1, this is equal to minus 1 by 6, and T3 minus T2, this is equal to minus 1 by 12. So clearly here T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. So clearly the difference of successive terms is not same. Okay, so therefore the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Okay, so this list of numbers 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma dot dot dot, this list of numbers does not form an AP. And now let us check sixth one. So in 6 we have 2 comma 2 square comma 2 cube comma 2 to the power 4 and so on. Okay, so we have this list of numbers, and here we have to check whether this list of numbers form an AP or not. Okay, so let us check. So here the first term T1, this is equal to 2, second term T2 is equal to 4, and third term T3 is equal to 8, and T4 is equal to 16. So here if we take the difference, then we will get T2 minus T1, this is equal to 4 minus 2, and this is equal to 2, and T3 minus T2, this is equal to 8 minus 4, and this is equal to 4, and T4 minus T3, this is equal to 16 minus 8, and this is equal to 8. Okay, so clearly T2 minus T1 does not equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is not same. Okay, so therefore the given list of numbers does not form an arithmetic progression. And now let us check seventh one. So in seventh one, we have this list of numbers: root 3, comma root 12, comma root 27, comma root 48, and dot dot dot. Okay, so here you can also write this this list of numbers in this form: root 3, comma 2 times root 3, comma 3 times root 3, comma 4 times root 3, and comma dot dot dot. Okay, so here the first term t1, this is equal to root 3. Second term t2, this is equal to 2 times root 3, and the third term t3 is equal to 3 times root 3, and the fourth term t4, this is equal to 4 times root 3. Okay, so now take difference: t2 minus t1, this is equal to 2 times root 3 minus root 3, that is equal to root 3. Okay, and t3 minus t2, this is equal to 3 times root 3 minus 2 times root 3, and this is equal to root 3. And t4 minus t3, this is equal to 4 times root 3 minus 3 times root 3, and this is equal to root 3. Okay, so clearly here t2 minus t1, this is equal to t3 minus t2, this is equal to t4 minus t3. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is same. Therefore, the list of numbers form an AP. Okay, so therefore the list of numbers form an AP. And now this is clear to you. So now we can move to another question. Okay, so let us move to next question. So in next question, this is actually question number 2, and here we have to justify whether it is true or true to say that minus 1 comma minus 3 by 2 comma minus 2 comma 5 by 2 comma dot 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 forms an AP, as a2 minus a1, this is equal to a3 minus a2. Okay, so we have to justify this list of numbers form as AP or not. So let us see how to justify it. So here the first term a1, this is equal to minus 1. Okay, and the second term a2, this is equal to minus 3 by 2, and the third term a3, this is equal to minus 2, and the fourth term a4, this is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so here a2 minus a1, this is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and this is equal to minus 1 by 2. And a3 minus a2, this is equal to minus 2 plus 3 by 2, and this is equal to minus 1 by 2. And a4 minus a3, this is equal to 5 by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, so clearly here a3 minus a2, this is equal to a2 minus a1, but a2 minus a1 does not equal to a4 minus a3. Okay, so clearly the difference of successive terms is not same, although a2 minus a1, this is equal to a3 minus a2, but a3 minus a2 does not equal to a4 minus a3. That is why therefore it does not form an AP. Okay, and now let us move to question number 3. So in question number 3, here we have for the AP minus 3 comma minus 7 comma minus 11 comma dot dot dot, can we find directly a30 minus a20 without actually finding a30 and a20? Okay, so we have to ask it, can we find directly a30 comma a20 without actually finding a30 and a20? Okay, give reason for your answer. So here let us find the way how can we find directly a30 minus a20 without actually finding a30 and a20. So here we have given this list of numbers, and this list of numbers basically form an AP. Okay, so here minus 3 comma minus 7 comma minus 11 comma dot dot dot. For this AP, here the first term a1, the first term a1, this is equal to minus 3, second term a2, this is equal to minus 7, and third term a3 is equal to minus 11. Okay, so here we know this formula, nth term of an AP, this is actually an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times common difference d, where a is first term of this AP and the d is common difference of this AP. Okay, so the innate term of an AP, this is equal to A plus n minus 1 times common difference D. So here the 30 term, that is A30, this is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 times D, and this is equal to A plus 29D. Okay, and A20, this is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 times D, that is equal to A plus 19D. Okay, so now take difference. A30 minus A20, this is equal to A plus 29D minus A plus 19D. Okay, and this is equal to 10D. So, and from the given AP, here the common difference D, this is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 7 minus of minus 3. Okay, and this is equal to minus 7 plus 3, and this is equal to minus 4. Okay, so the common difference for this given AP is equal to minus 4. And now A30 minus A20, A30 minus A20, this is equal to 10 times minus 4, that is equal to minus 40. Okay, so the common difference D is equal to minus 4, and the difference of A30 and A20, this is equal to minus 40. Now let us move to next question. So in next question, here we have two APs have the same common difference, and the first term of one AP is 2 and that of the other is 7. Okay, and the difference between their 10 terms is the same as the difference between their 21st terms. Okay, so which is the same as the difference between any two corresponding terms. Okay, so why? So let us see how to solve it. So here let the same common difference of two APs is D, and given that the first term of first AP and second AP are 2 and 7 respectively, and then the APs are 7, 7 plus D, 7 plus 2D, 7 plus 3D, and 2, 2 plus D, 2 plus 2D, 2 plus 3D, Okay, so here the now 10 terms of first and second APs are 2 plus 9D and 7 plus 9D respectively. Okay, so their common their difference is 7 plus 9D minus 2 plus 9D, that is equal to 5. Okay, also 21st terms of first and second APs are 2 plus 20D and 7 plus 20D respectively, and so the difference is 7 plus 20D minus 2 plus 20D. Okay, and this is equal to also this is basically 20D. Okay, so this is 22, this is not 90D. So if 7 plus 20D minus 2 plus 20D, this is equal to 5. And also if the AN and BN are the innate terms of the first and second AP, then difference BN minus AN, this is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 times D minus 2 plus n minus 1 times D, and this is equal to also 5. Okay, hence the difference between any two corresponding terms of such APs is the same as the difference between their first terms. Okay, so we actually come to this point where the difference between any two corresponding terms of this given two APs are actually same. Okay, so I think you got it. Okay, so this is clear to you. So we can now move to next question. So let us move to next question, that is question number 5. Okay, so in question number 5, here we have asked, is 0 a term of the AP 31, 28, 25, Okay, justify your answer. So let us find, let us check 0 is 0 a term of this AP or not. Okay, so let us check. So here we let first of all 0 be the innate term of the given AP, that is AN is equal to 0. Okay, and here given the first term a, this is equal to 31, and the common difference d, this is equal to 28 minus 31, that is equal to minus 3. And we know the nth term of an AP is an, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 times common difference d. Okay, and here an is equal to 0, and the first term is 31, and the common difference d is minus 3. Okay, so it implies 0, this is equal to 31 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. Okay, and it implies 3 times n minus 1, this is equal to 31, and it implies n minus 1, this is equal to 31 by 3, and it implies n, this is equal to 31 by 3 plus 1, and this is equal to 34 by 3. And this number n is equal to 34 by 3, this is not possible, since n should be positive integer. Okay, so here we get the value of n that is not a positive integer, so 0 is not a term of the given AP. Okay, 0 is not the term of the given AP. Now we will discuss short answer type question. So in first question, here we have to match the if is given in column A and suitable common difference given in column B. Okay, so in column A we have given APs, and in column B we have given their corresponding common difference. Okay, so here in first one, here we have 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, dot dot dot. Okay, so in first one here, first term A1, this is equal to 2, A2, this is equal to minus 2, A3, this is equal to minus 6, A4, this is equal to minus 10. Okay, so now let us see how to solve it. So in A1 we have this list of numbers 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10. Okay, so here the common difference d, this is equal to minus 2, minus 2, that is equal to minus 4. Okay, so here for first one, here the common difference is minus 4. So this is the A1 is related to B4. Okay, and for second one, here we have first term is minus 18, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0. Okay, so here we have to find the common difference for A2. So we know this formula, an, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 times common difference d. Okay, and it implies 0, this is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 times d, and it implies 18, this is equal to 9d, and it implies d is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore the common difference d is equal to 2. So here A2, this is related to B5. Okay, so A2, this is related to B5. And now go to A3. So in A3 we have the first term a is given to 0, and A10, this is equal to 6. Okay, and we need to find the common difference. Okay, so obviously we know the nth term of an an, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, and obviously here we will use this formula for A10. Okay, so A10, this is equal to 6, that is given, and if we use the formula nth term of an an, this is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, then it implies a plus 10 minus 1 times d, this is equal to 6, and given a is 0, so 0 plus 90 is equal to 6, and it implies d is equal to 6 by 9, that is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so therefore the common difference d is equal to 2 by 3. So A3, this is related to B1. Okay, so A3, this is related to B1. And now go to A4. So in A4 we have given second term and fourth term. Okay, so here we have given A2, this is equal to 13, and A4, this is equal to 3. Okay, so let us check which is the common difference of this given AP. Okay, so let us check now A4. So we have given A2 is equal to 13, and we know the nth term of an AP, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, Okay, so it implies a plus 2 minus 1 times d, and this is equal to 13. And it implies a plus d is equal to 13, and here a4 also given to us, that is equal to 3. And it implies a plus 4 minus 1 times d, this is equal to 3. And it implies a plus 3d is equal to 3. Okay, so basically here we get two linear equations. So now we can obviously find the value of a and d, okay, by using elimination method or substitution method. Okay, so now if we solve a plus d is equal to 13 and a plus 3d is equal to 3, then we'll get the value of d is equal to minus 5, and the value of d is equal to minus 5, and this is our required answer. So d is equal to minus 5. So for a4 here it is related to minus b2, okay, minus 5. So the common difference of an given AP where whose second term and fourth term is given is minus 5. Now let us move to next question. So in next question, here we have to basically verify that each of the following is an AP and then write its next three terms. Okay, so we have given in first one this list of numbers 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and dot dot dot. Okay, so first of all we have to check whether the list of numbers form an AP or not. So let us check. So here the first term a1, this is equal to 0. Second term a2, this is equal to 1 by 4. Third term a3, this is equal to 1 by 2. The fourth term a4 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, and now difference a2 minus a1, this is equal to 1 by 4. a3 minus a2, this is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and a4 minus a3, this is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so since here a2 minus a1, this is equal to a3 minus a2, this is equal to a4 minus a3. Okay, so generally if we take k plus 1th term of this list of numbers and k term, and if we take difference ak plus 1 minus ak, that will also give you 1 by 4. Okay, so clearly each successive terms of the given list of number has the same difference. Okay, so this list of numbers forms an AP, and next three terms are a5, this is equal to a1 plus 4d, that is equal to a plus 4 times 1 by 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, and sixth term a6, this is equal to a1 plus 5d, that is equal to a plus 5 times 1 by 4, and here a is 0. Okay, so 5 times 1 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 4. And a7, this is equal to a plus 60, and this is equal to 0 plus 6 times 1 by 4, and this is equal to 6 by 4, and this is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so now let us move to next one. So in next one, here we have this list of numbers 5, 14 by 3, 13 by 3, 4, dot dot dot. Okay, so first of all we have to check whether this list of numbers form an AP. Okay, if this list of numbers forms an AP, then we need to find the next three terms. Okay, so let us check first of all. So in second one, here first term a1, this is equal to 5. Second term a2, this is equal to 14 by 3, and third term a3, this is equal to 13 by 3, and a4, this is equal to 4. Okay, so a2 minus a1, this is equal to 14 by 3 minus 5, and this is equal to 14 minus 15 by 3, and this is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, and a3 minus a2, this is equal to 13 by 3 minus 14 by 3, and this is equal to minus 1 by 3. And a4 minus a3, this is equal to 4 minus 13 by 3, and this is equal to 12 minus 13 divided by 3, and this is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so since a2 minus a1, this is equal to a3 minus a2, this is equal to a4 minus a3, so since each successive terms of the given list of numbers has same difference, and therefore Therefore, this list of numbers form an AP. Okay, so now our target is find next three terms. Okay, find next three terms. So A5, this is equal to A1 plus 40. 40 times, this is equal to 5 plus 4 times minus of 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 minus 4 by 3. This is equal to 11 by 3. And A6, this is equal to A1 plus 5D, and this is equal to 5 plus 5 into minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 minus 5 by 3. This is equal to 10 by 3. And A7, this is equal to A1 plus 6D, this is equal to 5 plus 6 times minus 1 by 3, and this is equal to 5 minus 2, and this is equal to 3. Okay, so now let us move to third one. So in third question, we have given root 3, comma 2 times root 3, comma 3 times root 3, comma dot dot dot. Okay, so we need to check whether this list of numbers form an AP or not. Okay, so clearly here the first term A1, this is equal to root 3, second term A2, this is 2 times root 3, and third term A3, this is equal to 3 times root 3. So A2 minus A1, this is equal to 2 times root 3 minus 3, that is equal to root 3, and A3 minus A2, this is equal to 3 times root 3 minus 2 times root 3, that is equal to root 3. Okay, so since A2 minus A1, this is equal to A3 minus A2, this is equal to root 3, and this is actually common difference of this list of numbers. Okay, since each successive terms of the given list of numbers has the same difference, so therefore this list of numbers forms an AP. And now our target is to find next three terms. Okay, so A4, this is equal to A1 plus 3D, that is equal to root 3 plus 3 times root 3, that is equal to 4 times root 3. A5, this is equal to A1 plus 40, this is equal to root 3 plus 4 times root 3, that is equal to 5 times root 3. And A6, this is equal to A1 plus 5D, this is equal to root 3 plus 5 times root 3, that is equal to 6 times root 3. Okay, and now let us move to fourth one. So in fourth one, here we have A plus B, comma A plus 1 plus B, comma A plus 1 plus B plus 1, comma dot dot dot. Okay, so let us check. So in fourth one, here the first term, this is A1 is equal to A plus 4, second term A2 is equal to A1 plus 1, A plus 1 plus B, and A3 is equal to A plus 1 plus B plus 1. So A2 minus A1, this is equal to actually 1. Okay, so if you simplify it, then you will get this is equal to 1. A3 minus A2, this is equal to also 1. And since A2 minus A1, this is equal to A3 minus A2, this is equal to 1. Okay, since each successive terms of the given list of numbers has same difference, so therefore it forms an AP. And then next three terms A4, this is equal to A1 plus 3D, and this is equal to A plus B plus 3 times 1, that is equal to A plus 2 plus B plus 1. A5, this is equal to A1 plus 40, this is equal to A plus 4, A plus 4 plus 4 times 1, that is equal to A plus 2 plus B plus 2. A6, this is equal to A1 plus 5D, this is equal to A plus B plus 5 times 1, and this is equal to A plus 3 plus 5, B plus 2. Okay, so now let us move to fifth one. So in fifth one, here we have given A, comma 2A plus 1, comma 3A plus 2, comma 4A plus 3, comma dot dot dot. Okay, so here the first term, A1 is A, A2 is 2A plus 1, A3 is 3A plus 2, and A4 is equal to 4A plus 3. So A2 minus A1, this is equal to 2A plus 1 minus A, this is equal to A plus 1. A3 minus A2, this is equal to 3A plus 2 minus 2A minus 1, this is equal to A plus 1, and you will get all the difference of successive terms are actually equal. Okay, so since each successive terms of the given list of numbers has same difference, so it forms an AP. And then the next three terms are A5, this is equal to A plus 40, this is equal to A plus 4 times A plus 1, that is equal to 5A plus 4. And A6 is equal to A plus 5D, this is equal to A plus 5 times A plus 1, that is equal to 6A plus 5. A7, this is equal to A plus 6D, this is equal to A plus 6 times A plus 1, that is equal to 7A plus 6. Okay, students, so these are all about this lecture. So I stop here this lecture. Thank you very much to all of you.